Understanding the term conductor. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the English language to explore the term conductor. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its various meanings, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. In the realm of science, especially physics, a conductor refers to a material or object that allows the flow of electrical current in one or more directions. Examples: metals like copper and aluminum are good conductors of electricity. If you've ever wondered why electrical wires are made of copper, it's because copper is a great conductor. When we shift our attention to music, a conductor takes on a very different role. Here, it refers to a person who directs the performance of an orchestra or choir. They guide the musicians in terms of tempo, dynamics, and the overall interpretation of the music. Examples: the conductor raised his baton, and the orchestra began to play. A skilled conductor can bring out the best in every musician. In the context of transportation, especially trains, a conductor is a person responsible for ensuring the smooth operation of the vehicle and the well-being of its passengers. Examples: the train conductor checked the tickets of all passengers. If you have questions during your train journey, you can ask the conductor. And there you have it. The term conductor is truly versatile in the English language. Whether it's directing an orchestra, facilitating the flow of electricity, or ensuring a smooth train ride, the word finds its place. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting term. Keep exploring, and remember, every word has a story to tell. Until next time, happy learning!